The customer as a disruptor. Evolving manufacturing technologies. Employee upscaling. A challenging world. How can you digitally transform your factory to turn these challenges into opportunities? The answer is, let Fujitsu help you transform your makers into change makers. We at Fujitsu believe that the maker's mastery is unleashed by their tools. As we help manufacturers around the world tool up for the new normal, we never forget that digital transformation is simply every maker's 21st century toolbox. And with a better toolbox, every manufacturer's makers can change the business. Why choose Fujitsu? Well, we're #1 in Japan, 7th largest in the world. We're trusted by global manufacturing leaders. We have an ecosystem of world-class partners. We're the makers of the world's fastest supercomputer, twice over. And we have 129,000 changemakers of our own. You see, our passion isn't just for technology, it's for making. That's why we talk to your makers, not just your management. We observe and understand your making process. Then we co-create the most effective technology solutions for you to turn today's problems into tomorrow's profit. And we do that one change at a time. Whether that's by empowering your makers, digitally transforming your shop floor, re-engineering your supply chain, or transforming into a business model customized for your ecosystem. We invite you and your makers to co-create your roadmap with us. So you're not just inspired by a vision of your smart factory, but confident that we can make it real. Are you ready?